Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. Today we are going to be making some cascading cards, and I saw this on Diane H's channel a long time ago, probably 2 years ago, and I love making these for my retro journals. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this pile of index cards. I have tons of index cards. They're so inexpensive, and I love using it because there's lines on the back for these. So the first thing I do is I cut them in half. I'm gonna cut a small stack here. And I will be using pictures that I have taken out of books for these, but I've done different things in the past. I've used stamped images. I think I've just used stamped images up until now. But I was also thinking of fussy cutting some retro images and putting them on cards. I think that would look cool as well. So once these are cut, we are going to find the middle of them. And this is probably the trickiest part because the hole needs to be punched at exactly the right spot to make it line up. All right. So this is 2.5 inches. So we're going to go in an inch, and the center should be right there, 1 1/4. I will be using these small eyelets right here. So I'm gonna do this set first. So let me go ahead and take 3, since there are 3 right here, and we're gonna punch a hole. Right in the middle there. I should actually move this so that I get it at a good spot. I'm eyeballing where I did the pencil marks. All right, so we've got that hole. Now we are going to eyeball it. Wait a minute. So for the top piece, you only need, both holes punched. For the bottom piece, you only need the top hole punched. And the middle piece, you need top and bottom. So let's go ahead and punch this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this. I'm using tacky glue today. This is going to be on the top. So it needs this one. Let me go ahead and erase this pencil mark. I'm really trying to wrap up all the projects that I have going on right now for these journals so that I can go ahead and complete them. I think I overdid it on the ephemera, which is good because I can always use it for the next journal. Okay, that's the top piece. Now we need the middle. And I generally don't really make ephemera ahead of time unless it's for a specific project. So these are retro journals that I always do anyways. So I think it's gonna work out. I have a lot of ideas for different journals. My next one, I talked about this before, but I really want to do a Marie Antoinette journal. Like not a whole set the way I've done with these, but I really think I'm going to jump into botanical because I've been getting in the mood again. And then after that, I might do some more experimental ones for me. Since I usually stick to the same themes, and I don't know why I do that because I have so many different things I want to try. I think it's because I love retro so much. And after I tried botanical, I love those too. So maybe if I try something else, I'll love that too. All right. Now, that's going to be on the top, and then this one, no, this one's in the middle. So I am going to actually cut some of this off because it doesn't need that much room, and it's going to cover the other picture. And that's one of the hardest parts for me about this. And then this one's going to go on the bottom. And hopefully, see, the hard part about putting the picture, gluing it on, is that it's going to catch, but hopefully this is going to work out. I think I do want to round the corners. Let's go ahead and round the corners. All right, so let's get this fastened in there. And then this one. All right. So there we have that. And this gets fastened into the journal itself, and it can either lay like this on the page, or it can be like rolled up. I think it's a really cool interactive piece on a page, and the person can also choose to take it off the page to journal in the back. So it's kind of like a secret journaling spot, and I love that. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope you try this. It's just a really cool and simple way to put up a series of images. I've also embellished on here in the past, and it turns out really cool. Maybe I will do that right now. So I usually take lace, and I think I'm going to do 2 pieces. So let's go ahead and cut. I love getting these laces from Joann's because they can be used in little parts like this, and they still make a really good impact. So you have like so many that you can use. Whenever there's a coupon, like a 60% off, and I don't have anything to spend it on, I will usually get like ribbon like this, lace. All right, so I am going to put this brad right in the middle. Okay. I just realized my hands are really dry today. I did a bunch of coffee dyeing earlier, so please excuse my dry hands. I might glue this down. I'll just leave it depending on if it flattens out eventually. But yeah, I did a whole bunch of coffee dyeing. I'll share all of it once it's done. I'm letting it soak today, and I will be drying it tomorrow. Oh. Can't remember where I got these brads. They were probably really inexpensive because they're like the typical brads, like for office supplies or something. Maybe I got them at Hobby Lobby, possibly. All right. So there we have that. Just a little bit of embellishing makes it so much more feminine, adds texture, and then when you can roll it up like this. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this flattens out. If it doesn't, then I will definitely glue it down. But yeah, I hope you guys try this out. It's really simple to do and requires very little. I mean, index cards, I'm sure everyone has index cards, and these brads that you could get at an office supply store. But if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching today. I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.